Are you tired of those 9 to 5 jobs? Do you want to work from home and earn money while spending your spare time doing what you love? Well, this video will show you how to use your smartphone to create a passive income while working less than an hour per week. Just watch the video all through and get started. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can learn the latest ways to make money online. Now let's get started. I've been using a cool free app called CashCamel and made a decent amount in just a few weeks. CashCamel pays you real cash to take surveys to share your thoughts on things like movies, video gaming, and investing. All of the surveys you may participate in will be shown as soon as you log into the app. CashCamel uses artificial intelligence to pre-qualify you for surveys so you can earn more money. You must still answer the survey's real qualifying questions to find out whether you fit inside the survey's target audience. Also, you'll have the option to share your location if you so desire. This is not required, but it does provide additional earning potential. You may get in-app push alerts and be paid for each view if you are in close proximity to one of their partner brands' locations. Upon finishing a survey, you will be paid the stated amount, which will be added to your CashCamel account. When you achieve the minimum payout level, which is $10, you will be able to request payment through PayPal. You'll get it within 48 hours of making your request. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, "I like it." Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.